full of pleasure, and the home of the champions. A blessed day and happy fiesta to everyone. This is Bong Jimeno. Please join me for an hour as I bring you the Prelude in Placer as we celebrate our fiesta in honor of Our Lady of Remedies. Placer, the land full of pleasure. Placer is one of the 21 towns in the province of Masbate. Considered a second class, it is one of the most progressive and most livable area in the province. Placer is located on the southernmost tip of the main island of Masbate. Placer derived its name and evolved into a settlement started sometime about the middle part of the 19th century when a group of migrants from Panay, to escape the tyranny of Spanish colonizers, reached the southern part of Masbate. These groups of migrants then founded a settlement near the mouth of a big river after clearing the forest area along the riverbank. This settlement was later named Naukundako as the big river was called, and the small river was referred to as the Naukundiyot. Naukundako grew and became a progressive community as a second batch of immigrants headed by Abondio Silera arrived from Tayabas, followed by a third wave of immigrants from Panay led by Vicente Duran, Nepomuceno, and Manuel Gallego. The people in this new settlement toiled hard, and as fish resources were abundant, people from other provinces were induced to settle in Naukundako. One time, Governor Bonifacio Serrano of the provinces of Sorsogon and Masbate came to visit Naukundako during a celebration of Santa Cruzan held in this settlement during May of the year. He was amazed to note how the celebration was carried on for the entire week, so much that in this grand display of merriment, feasting and dancing, and all sorts of entertainment, the impressed governor willed before he left that the settlement as a barrio be renamed Placer. It's a Spanish name which means full of pleasure. Placer remained a barrio of Katayngan until on January 22, 1949, Placer was created a municipality by virtue of Executive Order number 242. The provincial governor during this time was Honorable Mateo Pecson, and the lone representative to Congress was Honorable Emilio Espinosa Sr. The prominent persons who worked hard for the creation of this municipality were Juan Silera, Praxedio Inocencio, Primitivo Antonio, Francisco Conde, and Filifranco Avenido. Placer has an urbanization level of 30.38%, which is relatively significant because the extent of urbanization is indicative of the progress or development taking place. The urban area, therefore, of the municipality of Placer attracts population migration mainly because of the economic opportunities available, thus playing a key role in the overall development of the municipality. Placer also boasts for a very high literacy rate, with about 91.44% are literate, while only 8.56% are considered illiterate. Employment trend in the municipality shows that a total of 14,959 persons are in the labor force. It varies from agriculture, fishing, forestry, manufacturing, construction, mining, and electricity. The mother tongue, by reason of the proximity to Cebu province, Cebuano dialect influence on the local dialect as the primary reason why the dominant mother tongue in the town is Cebuano. Farming and fishing is the main livelihood of Placereños. In fishing, there are plenty of tikab, lambay, shrimp, dried fish, or buwan. Because of the density of population in the town, DepEd, or the Department of Education, divided Placer into two districts. These are Placer West and Placer East districts. Our Lady of Remedies Parish is located in Placer, Masbate. It is surrounded by 5 parishes from Catayngan, PV Corpus, Esperanza, Kawayan, and Palanas. It is a half-century-old parish, considering its erection by a decree issued on June 30, 1941 by the late Archbishop Pedro Santos of the Archdiocese of Nueva Cáceres. In 59 years since its foundation, 18 priests have been assigned at Our Lady of Remedies Parish, with Father Julian Garcia Toribio, a Franciscan friar, as the first appointed parish priest who initiated the Placereños and the migrants of the Christian faith from 1941 to 1945. The Placereños are truly jubilant at the turn of the new Christian millennium, a great event in the pilgrimage of the history of salvation. Our Lady of Remedies, Jubilee Church, and a pilgrimage site. At present, our parish priest is Reverend Father Hernan Ribaya.
Dako kayo ang kalipay nato nga sa gihapon magasaulog kita sa kapiyastahan sa atong mahal nga patrona, Nuestra Señora de los Remedios, karong umabot na Pebrero 21. Kini nga kapiyastahan nagahatag kanato og higayon aron sa pagpasalamat ngadto sa Dios sa tanang mga grasya, mga panalangin nga gihatag niya kanato sa pag-ampo sa atong mahal nga patrona. Ug nagapanginaot ako nga kini nga kapiyastahan, kini nga tradisyon nga atong ginahimo sa matag tuig, makapaliguan sa atong pagtuo ngadto sa Ginoo. Nga karong tuiga giproklamar sa atong Santo Papa bilang tuig sa pagtuo. Kini nga tradisyon nga ginahimo sa atong simbahan, maunta ang magdala kanato ngadto sa gingharian sa Dios. Ang atong mahal nga inahan, si Birhen Maria sa iyang titulo, Nuestra Señora de los Remedios, kanunay untang mag-amping kanato, kanunay mag-ampo kanato. Ug ginaauhag ko kamo nga mabuhay kita sa paghigugmaay ug pagkahiusa kay mao kini gina-imbitar kanato bilang usa ka simbahan, bilang mga sumusunod sa atong Ginoong Hesukristo. Ug karon ginaimbitaran ko kamong tanan sa pagtambong sa mga buluhaton relihiyoso niining maong kapiyastahan. Lalo na sa adlaw sa kapiyastahan ni Nuestra Señora de los Remedios sa Pebrero 21 sa pag-atender sa banal nga Eucharistia. Kay mao kini an timailhan, mao kini an tanda san tunay nato nga pagsunod sa atong Ginoong Hesukristo, kay kini mao ang pagpasalamat sa Dios ngadto sa iyang pag-intervene sa atong kinabuhi, lalo na sa pagdumdum nato dinhi ining santos nga Eucharistia sa misteryo Pascual, sa pagpasakit, pagpakamatay ug pagkabanhaw sa atong Ginoong Hesukristo. Daghang salamat ug happy fiesta.
Placer, the home of the champion. The Lanetis have a home in Santo Niño Village in Barangay Banilad, where it is a tradition to hold a sinulog a week after the Grand Parade in Cebu City. Laneti remembered that he and his entire family were active in participating in the village sinulog. But when his dad died in 2006, the mayor said he stopped participating. But in 2008, the Santo Niño reminded him of the devotion. Another realization was in 2009 when the contingent first joined competition. At that time, Placer did not take home any prize, which the mayor took it as a sign that the Santo Niño wanted him to actively participate in the competition. On the other hand, the Lady Governor in the province of Masbate, Honorable Diane Lanepi, the mother of our mayor here in Placer, said that the family attributed to the Santo Niño a miracle that saved Mayor Jay from a fire when he was only 2 years old. That's why she has all the devotion for Santo Niño de Cebu. In late 2008, the Santo Niño made him realize that he has forgotten about his devotion to the Sinulog. Mayor Jay Lanetti, who used to be Junjet Primor's star dancer in the Sinulog-based category from years back, is now using his background in dancing to help his contingents polish their steps. This serves as a motivation and inspiration for the dancers to see their mayor doing the dirty work. It was in 2010 that the Tribu Himag-ula of Placer Masbate bagged the grand prize of Sinulog 2010. It followed suit in 2011 and in 2012 as the grand champion. That's the very reason why Placer is known to be the home of the champion. It was in Sinulog 2012 that Placer was the first contingent to join both categories. That is, free interpretation category and the Sinulog-based category. It was after a dream that Mayor Jay Lanetti decided to join the Sinulog-based category after winning back-to-back in the free interpretation category in 3 consecutive years. The Lanettis shouldered all the expenditure during the Sinulog, and this is being helped by the family and other relatives in honor of the Holy Child. Their participation in Sinulog may be expensive, but Lanetti said the return of investment is in the form of tourism influx in Placer that trickles down to the entire Masbate province because of their Sinulog winning steps. There you have it, friends. Please stay tuned as we have this commercial. Coming up is more about tourism, as tourism is one of the priority projects of Mayor Jay Lanetti here in Placer. Please watch this. There are many modern beach resorts located in and around the town, and all have a relaxing atmosphere. It is a true tropical paradise surrounded by clear blue water and wide sand beaches. Placer has its natural tourist attraction. These are the beach resort in Pasyagon, wherein you can find the different resorts and hotels. We also consider the Buktot Island, noted for its crystal clear waters and beautiful pebbles on one side and a deep rocky side that provides a panoramic view of Placer. The Virgin Island of Ginawayan, this is the gateway to Cebu, ideal for island hopping, scuba diving, windsurfing, and noted for its beautiful beaches. Nagarao Island, this enchanting place is ideal for sunbathing and swimming. This becoming an attraction among the excursionists. Its unspoiled natural beauty is the dominating feature of this island in Nagarao. You are still watching the Prelude to Placer as we celebrate this year's festivity. This time I would like to acknowledge Dr. George Galendez of RHU Placer and Engineer Rudy Villanueva and Engineer Annette for helping me in getting some of the data presented to you today. Mayor Jay Lanetti, priority projects with DepEd in building classrooms.
Atong may nabi karon ang public schools district supervisor. One of my professors when I was in high school, Mr. Gabino. Sir, maayong hapon.
Maayong hapon sa
Unsa man sir ang involvement karon sa West District dinhi sa Placer ining inyong maabot nga piyesta?
This coming fiesta daghan kitang involvement, especially nga ang atong LGU encourage kayo ng full cooperation sa tanan nga mga lumulupyo sa Placer. Sir West, usa sa mga mohatag o isa sa mga contingents nga mo ang kuno contingent.
Kini di-practice karon. Unyo ng contingent na sa West District.
Isa sa pinaka main event nga among giintrahan mao ang sa street dancing. Nya kami as usual mao naman gud na siya ang atong naandan from Cebu mo hire mi og mga trainers unya even drummers para sa mga nindot nga mga sa ilang music ay duyog nag-hire po tagikan sa Cebu nya maayo gani kay naghatag og allocation ang o aid ang LGU lakip ang mga barangay captains so sa kada continent natay 7 nga gihatag nga ayuda kanamo para sa gastuhan nya sa mga teachers murag ginagmay na sa food preparation kay wa may labot sa package aside from that ang distrito sa Placer West mo nag-take charge sa Placer Got Talent inyong nagian sa gate banda so dito yung nakaratula nga Placer Got Talent the search continues ang in charge nga na mga Placer West.
So dinhi ang venue ni na maong contest?
Ang sa street dancing diri pagahimon kay mao man medyo lapad na lugar dinhi mismo kanang portion o dinha ang atong showdown sa after the street dancing parade. O gawas niya na napuno kada contingent ipangayuan usab og isa ka contestant para sa search for Miss Imagulaw. Kami sa among sponsor.
So asa siya dinhi ka pud siya ang venue or
sa munisipyo na sa first night that will be February 18 at night time.
So far asa na banda ang inyong preparation sir nasa pila na ka person?
As far as I observe, mga almost more than mga 60 to 75% ng among preparation para niyan. Kay one week na baya ang mo abot ng celebration.
Okay.
So almost 25% na lang ang medyo pang polishing or mga final touches na lang.
So doon na kay gusto ipaabot sir na mensahe sa mga pumuluyo sa Placer o sa mga bisita ako sila ma-encourage sa pagtanaw ni ining Himag Ulaw Festival nga kundiin naging sikat siya.
Dako kayo nga akong kahinangop nga kining maong kalihukan sa Placer diri lang na himong bantog diri sa atong local nga places lakip na usab sa mga sa gawas or nga through internet na pwede na siya masudong when in fact ang atong mga dancers sa Placer mismo nagpakitag maayong bali performance during the Sinulog in Cebu during January that was pila na ka consecutive years nakita sa top 3 o dili ma-champion mo second or third dili mawala ni ana so kana nagsugod dihang sa ulo kining Himag Ulaw that was way back 2004 I think if I'm not mistaken o tungod ni ana atong giauhag ang tanan nga mga lumulupyo mismo sa dinhi nga lugar nga atong ihatag ang kinakusga nato nga pagduyog o pagkooperar aron usab atong maengganyo ang tanan nga mga bisita local man or foreign nga munganhi kada pagsaulog ni anong atong kapistahan sa Himag Ulaw Festival.
Not unta sir nga kining imong gihatag nga information karon maka-enganyar kini siya og tourist local man siya or foreign dinhi ni maulaga because pinaagi sa Placer ilhanta tungod sa Himag Ulaw Festival nga naging sikata. Congratulations sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Nya balik-balik unya ang mga bisita nga mo sa baka ninyo kay bisag dili ka mo bisita adlaw tanan mo anytime mo ngariman mo welcome ka mo dinhi sa among lugar.
Salamat. My favorite professor.
Thank you.
We are the Placer! Ang 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, start, and. Hey, 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 on. Hey, 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 on. And 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oi, 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 hey! Hey! Oi, 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 oi! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Ato may nami karon ang usas sa mga teachers sa high school level. Manungod ni ining ilang preparasyon sa Himag-Ulaw Festival karong maabot Pebrero 18 to 22. Sir, unsa man ning presentation, is this for competition sa Himag-Ulaw or ano lang, guest ni sila sa inyong festival?
Actually sir, kining ang ano namin pag-practice ngayon para ni sa competition karong Himag-Ulaw nato sa umaabot nga February 22. Bali 5 kami ang contingent karon. Ang East, West, then SMRC, IO, and Secondary Public High School.
So kini usa ni siya sa mga contingents sa 22.
Yes sir.
So what time sir what time nga kining maong inyong giprepararan karon nga ipalabas kini siya sa ano sa tanan sa public?
Ipalabas kining amo ang highlights kamo sa among kapistahan diri sa Placer. Karong February 22 magsugod sa Launa gikan dito sa kanang tuang munisipyo. May tulota ka judging area hantod diri sa area sa Placer West diri nato ano ang showdown.
Okay. Salamat po. Good luck.
Thank you sir.
Aniya kita karon dinhi sa opisina sa Public Schools District Supervisor, East District of Placer. One of my classmates in high school, Mr. Jumides Mahusay, unsay involvement karon sa East District ining maabot nga fiesta.
Actually, this coming fiesta, ang involvement sa district is we will be participating the Himag-Ulaw Street Dancing Competition. And of course, we do involve in religious activities. I suppose that the district or the teachers in the district will be sponsoring one of the activities in the church. And medyo dagan pang mga activities along fiesta celebration nga ma-involve ang ating mga teachers. Placer East, many years ago, Permi naga-champion sa street dancing. Only last year nga nag-slide down, may nagsikan. Pero we are trying to get back, no? Karon nga competition. Kaya usan ni sa mga pinaka-highlight sa atong fiesta celebration because somehow kung man siya, ang activity, pagpasalamat man nato sa blessing, no? Sa panalangin sa Ginoo sa ating.
So let us pray nga hinaot yung pag-abot nining maong festivity nga taga-antas man na Diyos o maayong panahon, maayong panglawas aron nga ang tanan maging malipay o magiging successful ang celebration.
Salamat nato Dre, no? Na nakapataan ng mga panahon na nakaabot ta.
So thank you very much.
Opo.
Please join me next year as we celebrate the fiesta here in Placer in honor of Our Lady of Remedies. This is Bong Jimeno saying Happy Fiesta to everybody.